Assalamualaikum. Did you remember me? I'm Layla, your little teacher. And I'm the daughter of a sitting tagabundok na guro. Now I'm going to discuss the overview of Excel 2016. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down here and click the bell for more tutorials. Okay, let's start. Microsoft Excel 2016 is made of a common program that can help you to apply basic techniques. This is very easy and simple to use. Okay, let's take a look. This is the title bar. It shows the name of the workbook. And this button is ribbon display options, used to change the display of the ribbon. And these are minimize, restore down, and close buttons. And this is the quick access toolbar. It contains commands, and this is what we call the ribbon. It composes of a set of tabs. Each tab contains groups, and this is a name box. It shows the active cell address or the name of the selected cell, range, or object, and this is a formula bar. It shows the data or formula in the active cell. It can also be used to edit cell contents. And this is the Sheet tab. Shows the name of the worksheet. These are the scroll bars. Enable you to scroll down, scroll up, scroll right, and scroll left. And this, the status bar. It shows the status of Excel, and these tools used to display the worksheet in a different of views and to zoom in and zoom out. This is the active cell where the green rectangle appears. And the last, the workbook window. It shows a page of the worksheet. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And in the next tutorial, I'll discuss the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, backstage view, formula bar, and the overview of workbooks. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.